The introduction of Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC, is a structured process used for developing software. It provides a systematic approach to creating, deploying, and maintaining software while ensuring efficiency and quality. SDLC is divided into distinct stages, each focusing on a specific aspect of software development, such as planning, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. The primary goal of SDLC is to deliver high-quality software that meets user requirements, stays within budget, and is completed within the defined timeline. By following this cycle, organizations can streamline their development processes, reduce errors, and improve overall project success. 1. Planning. Define the project's objectives, scope, and requirements. Identify resources, timelines, and potential risks. 2. Analysis. Gather detailed requirements and analyze the needs of users to ensure the software will meet their expectations. 3. Design. Create architectural and detailed designs for the software, including UI/UX, databases, and system flow. 4. Implementation. SDLC implementation is applying the steps of the software development lifecycle: planning, designing, developing, testing, deploying, and maintaining to ensure efficient, high-quality software creation and management. 5. Testing and integration. In the SDLC is a process that ensures individual software modules or components work together correctly when combined. It focuses on verifying the interactions between integrated units, checking for data flow issues, interface mismatches, or functional inconsistencies. This stage helps identify and address defects that might arise when different components communicate, ensuring that the system as a whole operates seamlessly. It plays a critical role in delivering a reliable and efficient software product. Regularly update and monitor the software. Provide technical support to resolve issues and improve performance. Provide ongoing updates, support, and fixes to improve performance and resolve issues. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. SRG Global Technologies. We can help you succeed.